Okay, so in this video, we would like to demonstrate how to create a secure team meeting. So I was recently asked how to create a secure team meeting in which each participant could be verified prior to entering the meeting space. So this is my idea here. So in this situation here, I've created two guest accounts at the bottom and an account over here, which is going to be the verifier, and this is the organizer. Now, as the organizer of the meeting, you're allowed to create breakout rooms. So what we've done is we've created two breakout rooms, a verification room and a secure room. The idea is that all participants will initially join the meeting into the main meeting space here. And from here, they'll be invited to the verification room. And once they pass the verification, they'll be passed on to the secure room. As organizer, only this account will be allowed to bounce people in between the rooms. Okay, so we'll give an example now. So we're going to take the example. As I said, we've got a verifier, and we'll take guest one, and we're going to assign them to the verification room. And we start the rooms. Once this happens, the room started, the two participants will be notified that they'll be moving to a breakout room session. As you can see, the verifier and guest one have been notified. They leave the main meeting room, as you can see here, and they'll be connected to the breakout room session, in this case here, to the verification room. So now, as you can see here, verifier and guest are in the verification room. So within this process here, the verification can happen through webcam, ID card, or questioning. Once this process has happened, the guest needs to be moved to the secure room. So what we'll do here is we're going to close the room. I've noticed that closing the room is the only way to remove a guest from the breakout room session. Again, they'll be automatically moved back to the main meeting space. Okay, once the room is closed, we can click on guest and assign him to the secure room. Start room. And again, as you can see, he's been prompted to be, he's going to be moved to the secure meeting space. Because the verifier was still in verification room when we started the room, he's going to be connected there. And as they are the only people in the room, this message is here. So what we're going to do now is going to invite the second guest to the verification room. Again, he's prompted. And here, as you can see, verifier and the guest 2 are in the verification room. Again, once this is finished, close the room. And here we assign him to the secure meeting room. In which case he should join guest 1. So again, he's going to be prompted. And here, as you can see, he's joined the secure meeting space here. And now this process can be repeated for all the participants of the meeting. A verification process happens, and then they move to the secure room. Okay, thank you.